Hey, do you need a quick and easy way to add a burst of fragrance to, well, literally anywhere? Well, my name's Maddie, and today in the AFI DIY lab, I'm going to show you guys how to make fragrance tarts. These little cuties can be tossed just about anywhere to freshen up a space or simply to add some atmosphere. To begin, I've got both of main ingredients measured out and ready to go. This recipe includes equal parts beeswax and palm kernel oil. Simply combine the two in a heat-safe mixing container of your choice and place it in prepared double boiler to allow the two to melt. Once both the beeswax and palm kernel oil have fully liquefied, we can remove the container from our double boiler and add fragrance. Today I'll be using our Cherry Pomegranate Fragrance because it's sweet and tart and overall just a really fun fragrance. Simply pour your pre-measured fragrance oil in with the other ingredients and stir well until it's incorporated fully. You can leave these tarts plain if you'd like, but I want to give mine a pop of color. To do so, I'll be adding in a teaspoon of shimmery mica powder, and I chose the color red to match our fragrance. Pop that in and stir it one last time. Now we are ready to pour them into our molds. Once all the molds have been filled, we need to just let them cool for a bit. It should only take about half an hour for them to fully solidify. Once they've hardened, they can be removed from the molds and voila, you're done. To use a fragrance tart, simply toss one or two into drawers, closets, cars, cupboards, and more. They can also be used in wax warmers for an even stronger boost of fragrance goodness. Each tart costs us less than $1 to make, meaning a 4-ounce jar can be sold wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $5 to $8, depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. If you want more fun projects just like this one in your feed, go ahead and join our notification squad by subscribing and ringing that bell icon. And don't forget to drop a comment down below with any questions or comments that you may have. We love reading what you guys have to say and answering back. As always, we thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you guys in the next video really soon. Bye!